So this is what we're gonna do today. This is Massey Ferguson 188. So we're gonna remove the kingpin. Did you call this kingpin? That one? There's a brand new one there, just sitting right there. It's been painted primer. And the best explanation is this guy here. He'll explain you how he gonna do this. What is the first thing to remove?
Okay, so what we're just doing right now, we down the bottom here, we've already put a new kingpin and stub axle assembly in a year or so ago. But down the bottom here, it's flogged out and the kingpin is flogging around even though it's a new one. So I've just yesterday or the day before, we bought a new one of these. I think they're called a spindle axle assembly. So we know how to take the rim off, the hub, and the kingpin out, and the bloody steering arm here. What I've got to figure out is how to undo these nuts and bolts. Now, it's not just a nut and a bolt, it's a threaded nut by the looks, I think. I don't know, it looks like it's threaded. But the reason I'm here right now is just to see if I can take one out so we can...
I think it's easy to remove that one.
Yeah.
See.
Well, that's what I'm going to try. And then I won't have to speculate.
Yeah, so what you call, I thought this is the kingpin. It's just a hub.
No, this is the kingpin. This thing down here, right?
Okay.
And then the stub axle is at the bottom of the kingpin, and the stub axle has got the bearings on.
So this one, what they call it?
Well, on the invoice they call that a spindle axle assembly. So that's that, and this here, which is the outer part.
Okay, so let's do it.
Righto.
That's all the. Whoa, what number is that?
That's 1116.
1116.
So the next one will be.
So you're gonna have 1116. So different tractor have different sizes of bolt and nuts.
Well, all these Massey tractors have the same.
Yeah.
But different brands of tractors have different. Different. Some have just got a regular nut and bolt. Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, so we got the right size. We have 51 and 5/16, and this one is 11/16.
Okay.
Oh, oops, I dropped it.
Dunga.
Oh, dunga. Here.
So I don't know what to try first. There might.
You should have steered this wheel.
Hey?
You should have steered this wheel a bit further away, so you have plenty of room.
Yeah. Alright, what I'm going to do first. Oh, Jesus Christ. Where's the. Oh, they're all the same.
Okay.
Right, well, first of all, I'm going to. Not right there.
I'm gonna crack this a little bit there.
What's going on?
So if you don't have that kind of, what you call that one, tools, you can use your vice grip or.
Okay. Well, let's not.
Oh my gulay.
That the right size.
A little bit sloppy, but it will do. As long as it won't damage the thread.
Yeah. Alright. Oh.
Go to the next level.
Shit, that's bloody
hard. You need a little bit longer handle so you have a leverage.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, all right. Do that. Okay, I just found this thing. It's look like it's some complicated kind of nut. It's like a bush nut. Yeah, it's look like a bush nut. I don't know if you can see that. And yeah, I think it's look like a bush nut. This one is, you need to remove the bolt from here. So this one won't come out. It's look like a bush nut. You know?
Well,
See? See the gap there?
yeah.
This is part of the nut. So I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. This one's like sitting up here. Oh, it's plastic. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is just a nut and then
Well, that's why I'm doing this. It's just a bloody.
don't flick on your eyes. Let me see. Or you can put a little bit of lube, it might help.
I'm.
It's gonna be a long video, so bear with the bush mechanic.
That's
Yes, there.
Yeah, that's
It's
an
an
quarter.
awkward size of both nuts.
Huh?
Awkward size. Can't really have a fit. Oh my god. You're getting there.
I'm still. Oh, but you know.
Hmm? I don't know. I don't know if you're bending that one or
I'm wondering if it's got a left-hand thread.
ah. Okay. So I didn't really notice the gap there before.
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't go put too much worry about that.
Oh, this is moving too.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Let's have a lock nut here so it won't move. Hmm?
See,
Huh?
I don't know. I really think
You really think?
I need to go and ask somebody.
Okay. We need to ask somebody how we're gonna remove this
Well,
this thing here because it doesn't look like
I feel
easy.
I feel I'm going to hurt myself. That's all.
Yeah.
Like I don't know. I don't know if that's left-hand thread or it's just that it was turning the whole lot. You know.
Yeah. Okay. So let's stop this video and we'll resume if we figure out how to easily remove this thing. Okay.